Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with towering skyscrapers and busy streets, there existed a neighborhood plagued by gang violence and neglect. The residents lived in fear, their spirits dampened by the darkness that seemed to permeate every corner. But amidst this despair, there were 4 individuals who possessed a glimmer of hope, a spark of inspiration that would ignite a transformation like no other. Meet Jake, Maya, Carlos, and Sophia. Each had once been deeply entangled in the clutches of the local gangs, their lives consumed by violence and despair. But deep within their hearts, they yearned for change, a chance to break free from the cycle of negativity that surrounded them. They knew they had to do something extraordinary, something that would not only change their own lives but also uplift their community. One sunny day, as they walked through the desolate streets, they stumbled upon a series of abandoned lots. Overgrown with weeds and littered with trash, these forgotten spaces represented both the neglect of their neighborhood and the untapped potential that lay dormant within it. A glimmer of an idea flickered in their minds: what if they could transform these abandoned lots into beautiful community gardens? With boundless determination, Jake, Maya, Carlos, and Sophia set out on their mission. They rallied the support of their fellow community members, sharing their vision of unity, growth, and healing. Together, they gathered tools, seeds, and supplies, pooling their resources to breathe life back into the neglected lots. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months as the transformation began. The once overgrown lots started to bloom with vibrant flowers, fragrant herbs, and a variety of vegetables. The gardens became a symbol of hope and resilience, drawing the attention and admiration of the entire neighborhood. As the gardens flourished, so did the sense of unity among the residents. People from all walks of life came together to tend the plants, sharing stories, laughter, and wisdom. The former gang members found themselves surrounded by a supportive community that embraced their newfound purpose. Word of their remarkable endeavor spread beyond the neighborhood, capturing the attention of city officials and local media. The story of Jake, Maya, Carlos, and Sophia's transformation from gangs to gardens became an inspiration for other communities grappling with similar challenges. They were invited to speak at conferences, where they shared their experiences and motivated others to seek positive change. Over time, the community gardens became more than just places to grow plants. They became safe havens, offering solace and opportunities for personal growth. Workshops on gardening, nutrition, and self-improvement were organized, providing valuable knowledge and skills to community members young and old. Children who had once been enticed by the allure of gangs now found purpose in nurturing the earth and witnessing its bountiful gifts. The once neglected neighborhood blossomed alongside the gardens. Crime rates dropped, and a renewed sense of pride swelled within the hearts of the residents. From this transformation, friendships were forged, dreams were rekindled, and lives were forever changed. And so, the story of Jake, Maya, Carlos, and Sophia stands as a testament to the power of determination, community, and the ability to overcome adversity. Their journey from gangs to gardens not only rejuvenated a neighborhood but also reminded everyone that even the harshest circumstances can be transformed when hearts are filled with hope and hands are united in purpose. Remember, dear reader, that within you lies the power to create positive change. No matter how daunting the challenges may seem, never underestimate the impact that your dreams and actions can have on the world around you.